In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a Facebook profile to help prevent in-game matchmaking sync. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you are using the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile or switch between accounts on the same browser. This matters because the blocking setting only applies to the account you are currently using. After you're signed in, head over to your privacy and security settings. Depending on how Facebook appears on your screen, you may need to click your profile picture or the menu icon in the top corner first, then look for settings and privacy. From there, open the section related to privacy and security controls. Take your time here since Facebook occasionally updates the layout and some options may appear in slightly different places. The goal is simply to reach the area where account blocking and privacy protections are managed. Once you're in the correct settings area, look for the block list or blocking section. This is where Facebook allows you to prevent specific profiles from interacting with your account. In this case, you'll use it to add the person's Facebook profile to your block list. Enter or select the correct profile carefully so you do not block the wrong person by mistake. If profiles have similar names, double-check the profile picture or identifying details before confirming. After you find the correct profile, add it to your Facebook block list. When the block is applied, Facebook will restrict that profile's connection with your account. For the purpose of this process, that helps prevent in-game matchmaking sync between your account and that user, which can be useful if a game is using Facebook-linked data or social connections in the background. Once the profile has been added, it's a good idea to briefly review the block list to make sure the change was saved successfully. If you ever need to reverse this later, you can return to the same blocking section and manage the list from there. And that's it. You've opened Chrome, logged into Facebook, gone to privacy and security settings, and added the user's profile to your block list to help prevent in-game matchmaking sync.